STEEM is a blockchain stage where anybody can procure prizes for posting and review content. The impetus stage upholds local area building and social commitment, compensating the people who partake in distributing, casting a ballot, and investigating huge substance utilizing cryptographic money. The web-based entertainment project was established in 2016 by Daniel Larimer and Ned Scott. There was no STEEM ICO when the task showed up. All things considered, STEEM stage pulled in satisfied designers who began contributing their recordings to the site and got compensated STEM tokens for it. Subsequently, the venture is upheld by huge financial backers as well as rather by regular givers, content makers, and perusers. STEEM web-based entertainment stage was made for normal individuals to remunerate their work for the internet-based networks. It permits enabling clients from everywhere the globe. STEEM coin value investigation. As indicated by the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of STEEM is $16 and STEM is as of now position no. 271 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of STEEM is 424,286,406 STEM, with a market cap of $69,168,722.08. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has diminished by $0 its ongoing worth. STEEM has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. Inside the last month, the cost of STEM has diminished by 6.27%, dispensing with an incredible typical amount of 1 cent from its ongoing worth. This unexpected drop implies that the coin is in a plunge at the present time, so it very well may be a decent purchasing and open door for speedy venture. STEEM Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of STEEM costs expected in 2022, the base expense of STEEM will be 22 cents. The greatest level that the STEM cost can reach is 26 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 23 cents. STEM value gauge for January 2023. In view of the value variances of STEEM toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical STEM pace of 16 cents in January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 14 cents and at 16 cents individual. February 2023 STEEM value figure. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their figure for the STEM cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 16 cents, while the greatest could reach 17 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of STEEM may be around 16 cents. STEM value gauge for WALC 2023. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value vacillations of STEEM in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal STEM rate they foresee may be around 17 cents in WALC 2023. It can drop to 16 cents as a base. The most extreme worth may be 18 cents. April 2023 STEEM value conjecture. Around mid-year 2022, the STEM cost will be exchanged at 17 cents by and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the STEEM worth to 19 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 16 cents in April 2023. STEM value figure for May 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected STEEM costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, 18 cents. The most reduced and top STEM rates may be 17 cents and 19 cents. June 2023 STEEM value conjecture. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the STEM cost will be around 18 cents. In June 2023, the STEEM cost might drop to at least 18 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 20 cents in June 2023. STEM value estimate for July 2023. Having examined STEEM costs, digital money specialists expect that the STEM rate could arrive at a limit of 21 cents in July 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to 18 cents. For July 2023, the gauge normal of STEEM is almost 19 cents. August 2023 STEEM value figure. Around mid-2022, the STEEM cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 20 cents. Crypto experts expect that in August 2023, the STEM cost could vary somewhere in the range of 19 cents and 22 cents. STEM value figure for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the STEEM worth won't dip under at least 19 cents. The greatest pinnacle expected for this present month is 23 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 20 cents. October 2023 STEEM value figure. Cryptographic money specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of STEM costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their estimate is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of STEEM will be around 24 cents, with a chance of dropping to at least 20 cents. In October 2023, the normal expense will be 21 cents. STEM value gauge for November 2023. In view of the value vacillations of STEEM toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical STEM pace of 22 cents in November 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 21 cents and at 25 cents. Separately, December 2023 STEEM value figure. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their gauge for the STEM cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 22 cents, while the most extreme could reach 26 cents during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of STEEM may be around 23 cents. STEEM value forecast 2024. After the examination of the costs of STEEM in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of STEEM will be around 33 cents. The greatest expected STEM cost might be around 39 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 34 cents in 2023. STEEM value expectation 2025. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of STEEM, in 2024, STEM is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about 50 cents and 58 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 52 cents. STEEM value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of STEEM and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base STEM cost could drop to 73 cents, while its greatest can reach 88 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 75 cents. STEEM value forecast 2027. In view of the examination of the expenses of STEEM by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least STEM costs are normal in 2026, $1.28 and $1.06. Overall, it will be exchanged at $1.10. STEEM value expectation 2028. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the vacillations of STEEM. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical STEM cost will be around $1.68. It could drop to at least $1.63. However, it actually could reach $1.83 all through 2027. STEEM value expectation 2029. Consistently, digital money specialists get ready gauges at the cost of STEEM. It is assessed that STEM will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $2.33 and $2.87 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $2.41 during the year. STEEM value expectation 2030. Digital currency investigators are prepared to declare their assessments of the STEEM's cost. The year 2029 still up in the air by the most extreme STEM cost of $4.10. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $3.38. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $3.50. STEEM value forecast 2031. Following quite a while of investigation of the STEEM cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their STEM cost assessment to 2030. It will be exchanged for something like $5.01, with the conceivable most extreme tops at $5.83.